Welcome back to another tutorial. Today we are going to make this simple and beginner friendly crochet poncho. This poncho is just made from just one rectangle. All you need is just double crochet stitch. And if you're new here, I'm Jen from Jennyandteddy.com. I share all things crochet for beginner. You can check out for my free pattern on my website. I will put the link in the description below. And this poncho, I have a PDF print friendly version in my shop. You can check it out too. So let's get started. So what you need to make this crochet poncho is a crochet hook side, a 4mm crochet hook, and the yarn that I use is DK weight yarn. I got this yarn from the op shop, the second-hand shop. I browsing, I just saw this one and just love it because it's so cheap. And this one is 50 gram. It's made from 50% acrylic and 50% nylon. So you can see the yarn is a kind of like mohair yarn, but actually not mohair. I don't know what, but you can use any kind of yarn, whether you have a cotton or acrylic or bamboo yarn, any kind of yarn. But in the example side, I have this one is a DK weight. The yarn needle here, a pair of scissors and the stitch marker, and the measuring tape. So this poncho is based on we will measuring our arm, this arm to this arm for the length of your poncho, and then we fold them in half, and that's it. So this poncho is made to measure. You can make them in any size. So what I do, I just measure from one of my wrists here to the other side of the other wrist. So you don't need to be accurate or perfect. Just around or about. My one is about 50 inch. So this will be my foundation chain. If you have different number from my one, this one is just about, my one is size small to medium for this poncho. But this poncho is totally customized. You can customize on any length, on any size. So my one, when I measure from wrist to wrist, is about 50 inch. So if you have a different, that will be fine. It's, because we have a different size, and you don't need to worry about if you have an accurate wrist to wrist, but it's okay, don't worry about it. Just miss 1 or 1 to 5 in, that's okay, don't worry. And this is my foundation chain. So I will crochet, I will make a chain until I reach 50 inch for my foundation chain. I will make a chain. So you will make a chain in any number until you reach your measurement of your wrist to wrist. Okay, we will see you there. So I will start with the slip knot. I'm just so lazy to put on the floor. I just start here, slip knot, and then we will make a chain until we reach my measurement. My measurement is 50 inch. So just make a chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. I will make more chain until I reach 50 inch my measurement, and I will see you there and I will tell you how many chain I make. Hi, so I just finished my chain. The total is 130 chain, and then we will plus 1. So I will have 131 chain. So my chain is here from wrist to wrist. It's like stretching, you know, when you stretch, it's like from here to here. So now we finish the foundation chain, and on row 1 we will make double crochet in the next chain from the hook. Double crochet. Yep, yarn over, and then insert your crochet hook there, and then make 1 double crochet. Then 1 double crochet in next. So you can see here. Just keep going, make 1 double crochet in each chain across until the end of the round. So you can see. Keep going until the end of the round here. The end of the row. I will meet you at the end of the row. Hey, so now I am at the end of row 1. I just make double crochet in each stitch across until the end of the row, and then at the end we will just chain 2, 1 and 2, turn your work, and then we will do double crochet in the same stitch, and then the next one we will just do 1 double crochet in the next stitch. So here we go, and then we just keep going, continuing, do 1 double crochet in the each stitch across like this. I hope you can see. I'm just lazy to put on the floor or on the table. You can see. Keep going until the end of the row. You can see it stretch. At the end, you just chain 2 and keep going, row after row, until you got this length. The length is for this poncho, the rectangle. The length for me, I put is about from here to here, 15 inch, just for like a t-shirt length. Or if you want to be the crop size, maybe you can do like 12 inch or 13 inch. Or if you want it longer, like, you know, cover until your waist, you can do like 20 inch. but I just stopped at 15 inch, and I'm not count how many row I did. I just measure, like, if it's long enough for me. Yeah. So just keep going until you reach the length that you want, the depth of the poncho that you want. And then the next step, we're going to fold them in half like this and use the stitch marker for open neck and sew on this side. Okay? So now we are going to sewing the rest. I will measure for you. The open neck is about 12 inch, but you can adjust it. So use the yarn needle here. Sew along. Okay, I finished sewing on the end, and I leave the open neck here. You can see that. And then you can fasten off, and that's all we done. I hope you guys like the tutorial. If you like, please comment or subscribe or show me what you make. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next tutorial.